ISD delivers cutting-edge programs that see our students of today becoming global citizens of tomorrow, transforming the landscape of international education in Dhaka through our new strategy. Join us and hear about how ISD opens up a world of opportunities for our students now and beyond. Learn about these exciting international partnerships in our world-class facilities coming to Bangladesh for the first time.
Welcome to our world-class facilities at ISD. We hope you can join us on the 12th of August at 10 a.m. to learn more about the exciting new initiatives we're introducing for our students. We invite you to register for the ISD 2.0 event now.